Such a beautiful morning, and it's Mother's Day, and now we are going to prepare beautiful arrangements using these fresh flowers. It will be a busy day and so tiring, but because it's a day of our wonderful hero, it will turn out to be a fun and exciting day. We will make them all feel happy and loved using our fresh, gorgeous flowers. Hello flower lovers, this is Joan of Art and welcome back to my channel. Matt and Vincent are now preparing our first orders for our lovely clients. The guys are trying to focus on how to make it more special. Of course, this is for our lovely mothers. We need to make it extraordinary. If you guys are wondering how we combine colors and flower combination, well, it is a request from our clients. But then if we think that it's not good combination, then we just give them an advice and make a little changes to make it more beautiful and gorgeous. But mostly when clients are calling us, they will just inform us for what event is the flower to be given off and the colors they wanted. They will let us do whatever design we want, which makes us more creative. We like it. For your orders and inquiries, please call us up here in Los Clarita and we will be happy to serve you. Our contact number is listed down below on the description box, and please check out our Instagram to see our latest photo updates. To like, subscribe, and share this video. Also click that notification bell so you get the latest updates. I hope you guys love this video. Thanks for watching. See ya!